Hi YouTube, today I will be teaching you how to make a buyable house in Roblox Studio. So I'm only going to be showing you how to script the door because that's really all we need to do. So we're going to insert three things into the door. You're going to insert a string value. You're going to insert a click detector. And we're going to also insert a script. Name this string value current owner. We're also going to set this as a variable. So we're going to do local owner equals script.parent.current owner .value. We're also going to set the price as a variable. So we're going to do local price equals 500. Now we're also going to need to tell the script when the door is clicked, because when you click the door, it should be how you buy the door, well, the house. So you're going to do script.parent.clickDetector.mouseClick connect function player. This will feed back who clicked the door. So first we're going to check if someone already owns it. We're going to do if owner equals then parentheses. We're not going to put anything in the parentheses because if someone doesn't own it, it'll just show in the string value as blank. So we're going to put then. Now we're going to check if they have enough money. So we're going to do if player.leaderstats.money.value is over or equal to price, then. Now we're going to deduct the money from their leader stats. We're going to do player.leaderstats.money.value equals player.leaderstats.money.value minus price. Now we're also going to set the current owner as their name. So we're going to do script.parent.current.owner.value equals player. Now in the Billboard GUI, to show who the owner is, we're also going to put a script under the text label. We're going to do a while true do loop. So we're going to do while true do, drop a line, wait 1 second. Then we're going to do script.parent.text equals, and then in parentheses we're going to do owner space, then 2 periods to separate it, script.parent.parent.parent.current owner.value. Now let's test this to see if we can actually buy it. So when you click on the door, it should buy it. All right, now for opening the door. So first for this, we're going to insert another script into the door. I'm going to name this one differently just so I know which is which. I'm going to name this one enter. So we're going to do script.parent.touch connect function hit. Now we're going to do if hit.parent.name equals script.parent.current owner.value, then script.parent.transparency equals 1, and script.parent.canCollide equals false. Then we're going to wait 3 seconds, and then it'll close again. So we're going to do script.parent.transparency equals 0, script.parent.canCollide equals true. Let's test this. As you can see, we can open it when we walk into it. Now I am going to add another script. So this script, if the player leaves the game, it will set the current owner as blank. So we're going to do game.players.player removing connect function player. Then we're going to do if player.name equals script.parent.current owner.value, then we're going to set the current owner as blank. So we're going to do script.parent.current owner.value equals and then blank. Now there's no way to test this in Studio, but I can tell you that that does work. Thank you for watching.